Hello, Professor. Today, our group will be presenting an analysis of Apple Inc., covering its historical development, financial performance, and the future outlook. Here is a brief overview of today's agenda. We will begin with an introduction to Apple's background, then review its revenue, operating income, and net income, and end with the forecast and the key conclusions. A major turning point came in 1997 when Steve Jobs returned, leading Apple into a new era of innovation. Since then, the company has released major products such as the iMac, Apple iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods. In 2020, the M1 chip marked the start of the Apple Silicon era. This overview sets the stage for the financial analysis.
Okay, hello, Professor. My name is Emily, and we today to presentation the Apple net income performance. The Apple's net performance from 2009 to 2024 shows strong long-term growth with some volatility. Key drivers include operating efficiency, supply chain optimization, and share buybacks. Recent years saw margin fluctuations, but overall performance reflects Apple's unsustained ability to cover the renewed growth into solid profitabilities. Okay, this is my presentation. So, bye-bye, Professor.
This slide highlights Apple's operating profit from 2009 to 2024. Operating profit grew steady with only minor slowdown in 2020 and 2023. Key drivers include the high-mirror service segment. Overall, Apple maintains very solid profitability. Net income generally follows revenue but is more volatile due to tax strategies, supply chain costs, and share buybacks. Despite inflation in 2023 to 2024, Apple's long-term net income trends remains positive.
I'm Chengjin from Group 65. Now I will briefly present our focus. This slide shows the short-term outlook. Over the next 5 years, we expect revenue and profit to grow steadily. Revenue CAGR is about 4.5%, and profit goes at a similar pace, supported by the devices segment and the iPhone user base. The chart shows this upward trend. The next slide highlights longer-term growth drivers. There are 3 factors. First, an AI-driven replacement cycle that moves more users to premium iPhones. Second, 10 to 15% growth in services built on more than 2 billion devices. Third, faster growth in emerging markets, especially in India, which can offset slower demand in mature Western markets.
Hey, hello, Professor. My name is Wang Zhi. This is my part, and this is the regional market dynamics. The first is North American, and the second is China and Indian, and the last is manufacturing. And you can see the top slides is in China, and the North American is the largest market in the world. And the next page is service business. We can see there are 5 parts. One is subscription service and financial service and so on. And the last is advertisement and cooling service is very growth. And the last page is some conclusions. Therefore, one is revenue growth. The second is 2024 outlook, and the second is future drivers and loss and resilience factories. That's my part. Thank you very much.